Are you struggling to choose between Claude AI and Stack Overflow for your development needs? Today, we'll dive into the strengths and weaknesses of each, helping you make an informed decision on the best tool to optimize your workflow.
In today's fast-paced tech world, developers face the challenge of choosing the right tools to solve coding problems efficiently. With Claude AI's cutting-edge technology and Stack Overflow's vast community knowledge, which should you choose? Let's explore the strengths and weaknesses of each to help you decide. Did you know that over 80% of developers use at least one AI tool in their workflow? Stay tuned to discover how Claude and Stack Overflow can fit into yours. Stack Overflow is a haven for developers, renowned for its community-driven approach. It connects millions of developers worldwide, offering peer-reviewed solutions to programming queries. The community aspect ensures diverse insights and real-world tested answers. However, navigating through endless threads can be overwhelming, and not all answers are equally reliable. Despite these challenges, the diverse perspectives offered can be invaluable, providing a depth of knowledge that AI alone might not match. Claude AI represents the forefront of AI-driven development tools, offering lightning-fast solutions to coding challenges. It leverages advanced algorithms to provide precise and efficient answers. The speed at which Claude operates is unmatched, making it a favorite for tasks requiring immediate solutions. However, AI's reliance on existing data can sometimes lead to inaccuracies, and it lacks the nuanced understanding that human interaction provides. Despite these limitations, Claude's ability to handle complex problems swiftly is a significant advantage.
When it comes to speed and efficiency, Claude AI takes the lead with its ability to generate quick solutions at the click of a button. Developers can save precious time and focus on implementation rather than extensive research. On the other hand, Stack Overflow provides comprehensive, community-verified answers, though it might require more time to sift through multiple responses. The choice between speed and thoroughness often depends on the task at hand and the developer's personal preference. Understanding how each tool can impact your workflow is critical for optimizing productivity.
The quality of solutions provided by Claude and Stack Overflow varies significantly. Claude AI excels in delivering precise, data-driven answers, ideal for straightforward coding issues. Yet, its solutions might lack the creative problem-solving approach that human expertise can offer. Conversely, Stack Overflow's community-driven solutions are rigorously tested in real-world applications, ensuring reliability. However, they can be subject to personal bias. Balancing AI's precision with the insight from human experience can lead to the most effective problem-solving strategies.
User experience is a crucial factor when selecting a development tool. Claude AI boasts a sleek, user-friendly interface that simplifies interaction, making it accessible even for beginners. It offers customization options that allow developers to tailor their experience to specific needs. On the other hand, Stack Overflow's interface can seem overwhelming due to its vast amount of information and complex navigation. However, experienced users may find its comprehensive database advantageous. The choice often comes down to personal preference and the importance of interface intuitiveness in your workflow.
Understanding when to use Claude AI versus Stack Overflow can significantly enhance your workflow. For instance, Claude is perfect for tasks requiring rapid, data-driven solutions, such as debugging or simple code generation. However, for complex issues needing nuanced discussions or innovative solutions, Stack Overflow's community offers invaluable insights. Consider a project where time is of the essence. Claude's efficiency can be a game changer. Conversely, for long-term projects requiring collaborative problem-solving, Stack Overflow might be more beneficial. Real-world examples highlight how selecting the right tool can influence project success.
Community feedback plays an essential role in assessing the effectiveness of Claude AI and Stack Overflow. Many developers praise Claude for its speed and accuracy, though some express concerns over occasional inaccuracies. Stack Overflow, while lauded for its community support, is sometimes critiqued for its overwhelming information volume. Listening to user feedback offers insights into common challenges and helps identify areas for improvement. Success stories and testimonials from real users highlight the role of these platforms in shaping the future of developer support tools. The future of developer support tools is shaped by rapid technological advancements. AI continues to evolve, offering more sophisticated and context-aware solutions. Meanwhile, community platforms like Stack Overflow are integrating AI features to enhance user experience. Predictions suggest a growing trend towards hybrid models that combine AI efficiency with community insight. These developments promise to revolutionize how developers approach problem solving. As new trends emerge, staying informed and adaptable will be crucial for developers to leverage these tools effectively and prepare for future challenges.
In conclusion, choosing between Claude AI and Stack Overflow depends largely on your personal workflow needs. Both platforms offer unique advantages: Claude's efficiency and Stack Overflow's depth of community knowledge. We encourage you to experiment with both and find the balance that suits your development style. Let us know in the comments which tool you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow developers. Stay tuned for future topics where we dive deeper into optimizing your development workflow. Thanks for watching.